Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in the commercial diesel parts. Today, I would like to show you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is the outside package's blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. And the first line of the label is printed with our Shumatt's brand, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ00375. For the logo, label, packages, etc., we can support customized service. And then let's check the inside. Inside, transparent bottles avoid some damages during the transportation, and one layer of the oil paper can wrap it up. Each product will Shumatt supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers will receive the packages. If you are not set to quality, return or exchange, the quality guaranteed, so no worries. For this valve assembly, you can take a look. For this one, it's applicable for 04451200006. Applicable vehicle cores, MITSUBISHI and BENZ. That's the valve cap. There is coating figures here. This is the valve rod. When you install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. Okay, so much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye. See you.